All right, number 7 looks to be our last one, so it has 6 parts as well. One study showed in a certain year, airline fatalities occur at a rate of 0.016 fatal accidents per 100 million miles. We're going to find the probability that during the next 100 million miles of flights, there will be 0 fatal accidents, at least 1, and then more than 1. And again, we're going to be interpreting all of these results. So we get 0.016 per every 100 million miles. And so that means one interval is 100 million miles, and we're going to find the probability that during the next 100 million miles, so again, that's 1 unit. So this number they give us is our average. So basically what I'm saying is lambda is 0.016 per the 100 million miles. Our time period is 100 million miles. So that's one time period. When you multiply this, the 100 basically divides out, and you get just the mean is equal to 0.016. So this time the lambda that they give you is equal to the average. They give you this. The time period is 100 million miles. You're only looking at 1. And if I was looking at 200 million miles, I would have 2 time periods. So my time period would be 2. So basically my t is 1 here. So we're going to find the probability that we get 0, probability at least 1, greater than or equal to 1, and the probability that we get more than 1, greater than 1. Okay, so we're going to find all those and interpret them just like we did previously. So StatCrunch again to do the heavy lifting for us. We're going to go to Stat, Calculators, and Poisson. We're going to change our lambda 0.016 equal 0. And the probability of exactly 0 is 9841.9841. If we were to interpret this and it says there will be blank 0 fatality accidents in approximately blank out of 100 selected 100 million miles flight. So there will be exactly, because that's the word, exactly 0 fatalities and approximately blank out of. Okay, so the probability is 98 when we multiply by 100, 0.9841. So when we multiply by 100, that's 98. We'll not round up, so we're going to say 98. This time we want to do greater than or equal to 1. So greater than 1 fatality, 0.0159, 0.0159. So this is at least 1, so there will be at least 1 fatality and approximately, so if I multiply this by 100, that's going to give me 1.5, so 2 when we round. And then greater than 1. That gives us 0.0001. This one says around the 5 decimal places, so be careful of that. So 0.00013. And then if we look at the wording more than, there will be more than 1. And then if I multiply this by 100, it's still going to be 0. Okay, so multiply by 100, move the decimal over twice, we'll end up with 0.0 that will not round up. All right, that'll do it.